Hi all. In today's video, we discuss the book Entry and Exit: Confessions of a Champion Trader by the renowned Kevin J. Davey. Kevin isn't just an author, he's a full-time trader, leading developer of algorithmic trading systems, and someone with a proven track record. Kevin made his mark by achieving triple-digit annual returns in a global futures trading contest for 3 consecutive years, consistently finishing at or near the top. This feat has earned him a reputation as an authority in systems trading. His book offers a unique perspective by combining his personal experiences with actionable insights for traders at all levels. Before we delve into the detail, and for those new to the channel, don't forget to look at our huge library of stock trading and investing material, where we break down often complex subjects into easier to digest summaries. You can also access my strategies developed from over 30 years of experience, whilst also gaining access to my bespoke breakout scanner and fantastic community of like-minded individuals. Back to the video. Kevin brings over 25 years of hard-earned wisdom to his book. He's upfront about one thing: this isn't a guide to instant success. Instead, it's a toolkit designed for disciplined traders looking to refine their approach. Kevin emphasizes the importance of rigorous testing before putting strategies to work with real capital. He also warns against over-optimization, a common pitfall where strategies work well in backtests but fail in live markets due to unrealistic assumptions or overfitting, something I completely agree with. Whenever we change or add any variable into a backtest, we need to understand its rationale and logic. If we can't, it's probably wise to move on. The book focuses on simplicity. According to Kevin, simple strategies often outperform complex ones because markets reward clear and logical thinking. Complex strategies, on the other hand, are more prone to breaking down under changing market conditions. The book features 41 entry strategies and 11 exit strategies, all presented as tools rather than ready-made solutions. Kevin explains that these strategies are not plug-and-play, but building blocks you can use to create or improve your trading system. To make the process manageable, Kevin includes code snippets that can be tested in the TradeStation terminal. He suggests testing one strategy per week, which allows traders to evaluate all 52 strategies over the course of a year. This systematic approach is particularly beneficial for new traders who can use it to identify a style, a time frame, and set of instruments that suit them best. Again, this is highly important. If you adopt a strategy that does not fit your temperament or style, it will unlikely be something that you can follow with discipline over the long run. For experienced traders, the strategies provide opportunities to enhance existing systems. However, Kevin advises caution. It's important to avoid overwhelming your system with too many changes, as this can lead to analysis paralysis. One recurring theme in the book is the necessity of testing. Kevin stresses that traders should thoroughly test strategies in a simulated environment before using them in live trading. He also recommends keeping position sizes small during the testing phase to minimize risk. As much as that sounds like common sense, it's surprising how many go into the markets with excessive risk on an approach that they do not fully understand. Kevin provides a strategy called moving average cross with a twist. Moving average crossovers have long been a staple for trend-following traders, but Kevin adds a twist to the filter. He says only act on the crossover signal if the current close hasn't moved significantly away from the previous bar's low. This filter helps eliminate false signals caused by short-term price spikes. For me personally, I'm not sure I like that logic, as I like to see conviction in the price movement. A surge in buying activity is a good sign for me. On that point, breakout trading is an area where Kevin offers valuable insights. In his breakout with a twist strategy, he incorporates the ADX indicator in a counterintuitive way. While most traders use high ADX values to confirm strong trades, Kevin suggests entering breakouts during low ADX periods. The idea is that breakouts from sideways markets, characterized by low ADX, as it happened in DocuSign back in 2020, are more likely to result in sustained trends. Here, the stock hit a new 52-week high with an ADX value of 17. For those unfamiliar with the ADX or Average Direction Index, it is a technical indicator used to measure the strength of a trend in the market, whether that be upward or downward strength. ADX values below 20 indicate a weak or non-trending market, whilst ADX above 25 suggests a trending market, and ADX above 50 represents a strong trend. This approach is particularly useful for momentum traders. By focusing on stocks that have been consolidating, traders can identify opportunities where a breakout signals a fundamental shift in market dynamics, a theory that is closely aligned to our concept. In our breakout screener, we weight momentum based on factors such as breakout bar size, volume, the high and close of the breakout bar, if the price has moved beyond recent price points, is the MACD positive, is price above the 20-week moving average, are we at a new all-time high, is the overall market in good health and other financials also showing momentum. By weighting and scoring these accordingly, we can achieve a total momentum score which should, in effect, move probabilities into our favour. I must admit I have not looked at the ADX indicator in enough detail to offer a solid opinion. Having said that, it does sound logical enough to consider further analysis. Another standout strategy is the ATR-based breakout. Here, Kevin uses the average true range, or ATR, to gauge the magnitude of a breakout. A significant increase in ATR indicates that a stock has broken out with enough force to merit attention. For instance, during the pandemic, Zoom's weekly chart showed a doubling ATR after a period of consolidation. Combined with a breakout to new highs, this surge marked Zoom as a high-potential trading candidate. The stock eventually tripled in value, showcasing the effectiveness of using ATR as part of a breakout strategy. Again, although we don't use the ATR, we do use similar metrics to determine the strength of the breakout. Quite often, visual qualification is enough. We find a lateral consolidation and a strong upward move in price supported by good volume. It is within these consolidation zones that we look for low-risk stop-loss opportunities. Kevin advises a systematic approach to testing. Start by selecting strategies that align with your trading style. Test each one thoroughly in a simulated environment and pay close attention to how it affects your overall performance. If a strategy improves your results, consider integrating it into your system. If not, move on to the next one. It's important to remember that testing is an iterative process. Even after incorporating a strategy into your system, you should continue to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. This ongoing refinement is key to staying ahead in the ever-changing world of trading. Kevin also places a strong emphasis on risk management. He advises traders to treat the testing phase with the same level of seriousness as live trading. Even when using small amounts of capital, it's crucial to maintain discipline and adhere to your risk management rules. Developing good habits during the testing phase lays the foundation for long-term success. Discipline is equally important when it comes to strategy selection. It's tempting to try every strategy in the book, but this approach can be counterproductive. Instead, focus on a few strategies that align with your goals and test them thoroughly before making any changes to your system. Some key takeaways from the book. Simplify your approach. Focus on strategies with clear logic and minimal conditions. Complexity often leads to confusion and poor performance. Test before you trade. Rigorous testing is essential before deploying any strategy with real money. Adapt to your needs. Tailor strategies to fit your trading style and system. Avoid adopting strategies blindly. Manage risk. Always prioritize risk management, even during the testing phase. Stay disciplined. Consistency in your approach is key to long-term success. Entry and Exit: Confessions of a Champion Trader is a valuable resource for traders at all levels. While the book could benefit from more in-depth explanations of some strategies, its practical approach and emphasis on testing make it a worthwhile read. For new traders, the book provides a structured pathway to explore different strategies and develop a personalized trading system. For experienced traders, it offers tools to refine and enhance existing systems. The inclusion of TradeStation code is a bonus for those interested in algorithmic trading. Overall, the book is a solid resource that encourages traders to learn through hands-on application, a principle that resonates deeply with Kevin's approach. As always, thanks for watching.